Building a website for your Indian grocery store doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Multi-Sites platform to build a simple website for your Indian grocery store. Now, if you haven't heard of Multi-Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on that link below this video to start that free trial for 7 days. Once you join the platform, you're registered an account. The first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your own markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, Indian grocery store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Multi-Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from. You can enjoy the Multi-Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Multi-Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. It's just generated in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now. Let's close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of the Multi-Sites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, to make your life a little bit easier when it comes to launching a website for your Indian grocery store. We've also made it simple by pre-selecting the images for you as well. They're really high quality and they're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing products you have in stock in your Indian grocery store. You want to showcase it on your website. Perhaps you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Maybe you don't offer all those products. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to have any web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire professionals to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead, click on the first section. This is where I'm going to pop in my email address for my customers to see. Click on that show email on site to display your email address for your customer's convenience. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make edits to it by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it. You can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on that update section button. Underneath update images where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search through the photo library. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a business profile and automatically pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons where you can change the text on those buttons and where they link to, you can even upload a PDF file. And the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your grocery store. Head on over to update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload to display your opening hours over here for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can actually click on that button and purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your Indian grocery store. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.